This equation is going to change the way you view a price action. And in this video, we are going to analyze today's instruments, which is gold, NASDAQ, oil, and US 30. And we will look at what is our bias, what are we looking to trade today, and how this equation comes into play. If you are new to the channel, subscribe because we're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, and let's jump into the video. All right. So first things first, we need to identify the first element, which is Monday. So Monday is these two lines, and Monday sets the high and the low of the week, regardless of what is happening or whoever tells you anything. Monday sets the high and the low of the week because it is the default day where the week begins at Monday. Now, this is what happens, and this is what we want to see. When Monday sets the high and the low of the week, then now we can use the equation to start formulating our thesis. And the equation states that if we have a failed breakout at the low of the week, expect the next day price to continue rising like that. So what is the equation now? At the low of the week, so we say an FBO at low of week equals buy low. And we can even go deeper and say an FBO at low of week plus a first green day equals buy low. So let's look at a real life example. Now, first of all, let's define what an FGD is. First green day. So the first green day is usually a day where if price has been falling, creating lower lows. So price has been creating lower lows. So meaning we've been having red candles. The day that we have a green candle, so where price opens and closes higher than the open, that is a first green day. So if you add up a failed breakout and a first green day, then you have a pretty solid confluence that the next day you will be looking for an opportunity to start selling. Now, the next part of the equation is the complete opposite. If this is the high of Monday or the high of the week, when we have a failed breakout, then price will continue going down. So this means that FBO at high of week equals sell high. As simple as that. So if you can master the two equations, equation one is FBO at high of week equals sell high, and FBO at low of week equals buy low. Once you see these two, once you understand this, then you are good to go. So let's look at today's pairs. Let's start with US 30. Now with US 30, the first step is, where is Monday? And if you look at Monday, this is the low of Monday. This is the high of Monday. Yesterday on Tuesday, price broke out. Okay, price breaks out and then closes back inside. Look at the close and look at the high of the week on Monday. This is the close and this is the high, meaning we have a failed breakout at high of week. Now, if you know the equation, failed breakout at high of week equals sell high. So coming to the screen today, I'll be looking to sell on Wednesday. Now, granted, my timing window is between 8 to 11, and I specifically trade for 1.5 hours from 9:30 to 11. When I come to the screen at that time, I will be looking to sell. Let's look at gold. The process is the same. Look at Monday. Monday gives us our high of week there and our low of week there. On Tuesday, price breaks out and closes outside of the range. So to me, I'm not sure about this, so I will extend this line up to here. Now, on Wednesday, I'll be looking at how does Wednesday close. Do we close outside of the range, or do we close back inside of the range? If we close outside of the range, I will still expand it up until I have my failed breakout. Let's look at US 100 or the NASDAQ. So you can see we have Monday setting our high of week and our low of the week. I mean, that was Tuesday. Pardon me. That was Monday, setting the high and the low of the week. On Tuesday, price breaks out near the end of the day and then closes inside of the range. So inside of this high and low, meaning now we have a failed breakout at the high of the week. So what does that mean? Look for sell high opportunities. Lastly, on oil, we have our equation there. We have Monday setting the high and the low of the week, and then Tuesday breaks out and closes outside of the range. So what do? We just redraw that low and wait for price to either break out and close back in or go back to the high. I don't know what price will do, but all I'm looking for is a failed breakout at the high or the low of the week, so that the next day will be my trading day. So if you got value from today's video, so that is how this simple equation simplifies trading throughout the week. If you got value from today's video, subscribe. There's a link in the description if you are interested in the free mentorship, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.